Paying employees in Xero is a streamlined process that ensures accurate and timely payroll management. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Set up payroll in Xero. Navigate to Payroll. In your Xero dashboard, go to the Payroll tab. Payroll settings. Enter your organization's payroll details, including pay calendars, payroll accounts, and tax information. Add employees. Employee details. In the Payroll tab, click Employees and then Add Employee. Enter personal details, contact information, and bank account details for each employee. Pay template. Set up the pay template, including salary or wages, tax rates, and any deductions or allowances. Process pay runs. Create pay run. Navigate to pay runs and click Add pay run. Select the appropriate pay calendar. Enter pay details. Review and enter the hours worked, leave taken, and any additional earnings or deductions for the pay period. Review and approve. Review the pay run summary for accuracy. Ensure all details, including gross pay, taxes, and net pay, are correct. Post pay run. Post pay run. Once reviewed, click Post pay run. This logs the pay run and prepares it for payment. Generate payslips. Xero will generate payslips for each employee, which can be emailed directly or downloaded. Pay employees. Batch payments. Go to Payroll, Pay employees. Xero can create a batch payment file compatible with your bank's payment system. Manual payments. Alternatively, you can manually enter the payment details into your bank's online banking system. Record payments. Reconcile payments. Once the payments have been processed to your bank, reconcile the transaction in Xero's bank reconciliation section to ensure your records match. Report and compliance. Payroll reporting. Use Xero's payroll reporting for tax filings, superannuation, and other compliance requirements. Year-end processes. At the end of the financial year, generate necessary documents like W-2s or other statutory forms.